all becoming more eco-aware, and Westinghouse is happy to help.
With dishwashers designed to save water, power and your dollar. It's all in the stars, a rating of up to 4 in energy use and up to 5 in water consumption for a sparkling, eco-friendly clean. Save even more with SensorWash.
It detects how dirty the load is and then adjusts the temperature and cycle to match.
And when the wash is done, AutoDoor automatically opens the dishwasher to speed up drying naturally. No extra energy required.
Find out more at National Product Review.